Welcome back, guys! It's a beautiful sunny day in Sant'Agata Bolognese, and as always we are here for some interesting Lambos. Oh, and we have our first Lambo of the day. Okay, yellow Performante, not that bad, right? I really hope we will get to see some Revueltos, probably some guards getting really upset, some prototypes, and yeah, of course, some interesting specs. So what are we waiting for? Let's go with the Lambos, yeah! Alright, another Urus. Oh, very nice spec on the Performante, yes! And remember my words, the gates are gonna close very soon.
5 minutes later.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Oh, and check this out, I think there is a Lambo... Yes, a pretty cool Huracan STO. Yeah, it's definitely a pretty cool dual-tone spec. Yeah, definitely pretty interesting. Alright, another Urus. Where is it? Just a black Urus S. Yeah, another Urus. And it's another boring Urus S. Oh, that's a very quiet Huracan. Is that a first-gen Spider? Oh, I don't get it. Oh no, come on! I mean, it makes sense, but it's really weird to see Lamborghini testing a Tesla. Okay, what do we have? Probably a V10? Yep, STO. Okay. Not my favorite spec, but it works. Okay, we have something else. Huracan Tecnica, orange calipers, black body. Okay. Oh, I think we have another Revuelto. Let's see. Hell yeah! Forget about Urus Performante. This is way better. Alright, great Performante. I think we have something really interesting coming out. Okay, I think we know this one. Oh, check out this spec on this one. Whoa, pretty cool. Very cool Urus Performante. Urus getting out from the gates. Performante. Okay, another Performante, and I really like this spec. Orange calipers, baby blue body. Ha, pretty cool. Hell yeah, the white Revuelto is getting back. Okay, a Huracan. Oh, it's the dark Tecnica from before, and I was quite wrong. It's not black, but actually dark grey. And yeah, the orange calipers. I mean, this is exactly why they don't need to test electric cars. Oh yes, another Revuelto, very nice. Okay, another Performante, very cool spec. A nice sound. That's a silver Urus S. Okay. Oh, nice. A black sterrato. Oh shit, there is no way! Are these three Revueltos all together? Now that's a new record for me. And the blue Performante. I mean baby blue Performante. Now that's a pretty interesting combo. Wow, I'm so happy, guys. Very nice. Huracan Tecnica for the 60th anniversary. Oh, why are you in a hurry? Hey. Gotcha. Yeah, pretty cool spec. Matte black with red details, red calipers, and yeah, it's a Performante, so. Okay, another black Tecnica, matte finish over the body, yellow calipers and black wheels. Not that bad, right? Oh, and a Performante. All right, all right. Oh, and check it out, sterrato. All together. wow, another Performante, a purple Performante, nice. Wow, such a beautiful color. Oh yes, okay, bright green sterrato, yes. Not bad, finally a bolder spec. Blue Urus S. Oh, also with the optional roof bars, pretty cool. Oh, I think we have a Urus combo, let's see, yes. So, silver Urus in the front, and that weird Urus at the back. Also, it's very, very dirty. Nice. Green with orange calipers. Okay, that's an interesting choice indeed.